Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView mobile in 2026. For that, first of all, simply launch your TradingView application on your phone. Now, when you launch the TradingView app for the very first time, by default, the home page will be of your watch list. So over here, you can tap on any of the ticker that is available over here. Afterwards, simply tap on the option of this particular full screen icon here so that the chart could open in front of you. Now when you are here on the chart, you just have to tap on this drop down menu here in the bottom. So what this is going to do is it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers that you can basically connect with TradingView. So among these, since we want to connect Tradovate, so you can just use the search bar and then you can search for Tradovate. Now when you are able to find the Tradovate here in this list, you just have to simply select that and then tap on the option of connect. But as you can see, currently Tradovate is not available over here, but in the near future, if it is available, you will see it over here. So simply tap on the Tradovate icon and then tap on the option of connect. Then it is going to redirect you on the Tradovate's website, where you just have to provide your Tradovate login credentials and you will be able to establish the connection. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.